little bunk. And I didn't hear you, and I literally thought you died over a camera picture for the Grand Canyon. They were trying to go. It's like, no, where's Michelle? Where's Michelle?
Aww. Emily is the only one that cares about me.
I also have nowhere to be. They're type 3.
Yeah.
They're trying to get things done.
We got to the Grand Canyon and they still got somewhere to
rushing
be. Oh, this is so pretty.
Should we go back to the front?
I guess so. But this looks so pretty.
Maybe try and call them. The thing is we've just been driving all day. I'm gonna go stir crazy.
Okay, now.
We are at the Grand Canyon. Michelle didn't fall off. We are watching the sunset, and if you look through there, you can see the river that runs through the canyon.
Where can they? Oh, it's down
Class
there.
5 rapids.
It's so blurry.
But it's there, and that's all you need to know.
I really want to build a campfire at some point and
Me too. I want to get
make some
campfire wood.
s'mores.
Yeah.
Have a little. We've been in the van for too long, I think, so I kind of want to chill outside and not be like freezing. But I say I'm down to do the 18-mile hike.
Yeah.
If y'all are.
I am.
Tomorrow.
Me too.
Okay.
Go all the way down into the canyon. It'll be a lot.
I'm done.
Okay. Because the longest hike we did in Yellowstone was like 17 miles, and it was like all the way down into a canyon and back up. But this is probably going to be more.
1, 2.
I literally, right when Michelle was taking a picture of me, I was like, oh shit. The canyons, it's crazy.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain sunk hills, sky.
Angles.
Vagabond. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture.
Go.
Okay, we are at the Grand Canyon. It's pretty damn grand. And Dick is literally about to fall the fuck off.
The edge of the canyon.
We're going to the edge of the world. I don't really know what to say.
It's just like
Emily is sitting off the edge.
we don't even have words. It's just like it's just crazy. It's crazy. Our camper van up there.
There she is.
Our faithful, trusty camper van, which we've put probably 2,000 more miles on than we should have.
We're coming.
Hello?
I like your boots.
Emily.
Look what I did to my hydro flask when I fell on the Grand Canyon. On
She
a
did?
ledge.
She did fall.
I fell off the Grand Canyon, but this was the only thing that took damage. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Scary.
Michelle is gonna go poop.
I wish I brought my jewel out here.
Gonna go stinky. How do I zoom in?
Oh gosh! The toilet is disgusting. I'm not using that.
I can't see anything. It's so dark. Here we go.
There's no way in heck There's nowhere in the heck I'm using that toilet.
Why?
Michelle, you need to.
Michelle, you're way too bougie for something like this.
I've used hole in the ground toilets. I've used really disgusting toilets, but that toilet.
You can't really complain. We're in the middle
That
of the Grand
toilet takes the
Canyon.
cake.
But how am I supposed to poop? You just squat.
You just squat and poop.
Okay.
You got this.
It was just toilet paper and like poop all over the toilet. Did you see it?
No.
It was like feces on the wall. You really want me to poop there? I'll go after Emily.
Emily, how's your stall?
It's fine.
Cool. We're just chilling.
Straight chilling.
Straight chilling about, what is this, like,
This is a mile and a half in.
so we're probably like a fifth of the way down into the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
What was that?
But we're not gonna do the whole, thing and hike down to the river because it's strenuous and we didn't wake up at 6 a.m.
If
but
you wake up at 6 a.m., are you
For the
allowed to
record,
do
we
it?
could have. We just didn't really feel like it. We wanted to sleep in.
Yeah, but next time we go on a hike in Zion and Yosemite, we are waking up at 6 a.m.
Hold us accountable, vlog.
Yeah.
We're waking up.
If we don't, punish us.
What should the punishment be, Mom and Dad?
We're gonna discipline
Ourselves.
Discipline ourselves.
We heard parents disciplining their kids on the hike and just yelling at them. And we were like,
We said, if you guys don't behave.
we said, that's us disciplining our children.
Can I have a fruit snack, Mom?
Have one, sweetie.
I want a whole pack.
The stirrers. Oh, that's bad. They're like handles.
Will it melt?
Yeah.
It's gonna melt.
Here, I'll put it on this side.
It'll still melt.
No, it's fine.
The stirrer or the handles?
Not the handles I'm worried about. The stirrer's fine. Can you turn the light?
I don't have a
They're
light.
not even hot. It's fine. Turn the light. Or a flashlight. It's starting to heat up fast. Fast. Grupples and cheese. Oh gosh. It's heating up fast. I guess it is over a fire.
What do you need? Cheese and what else?
Bowls. I am pro cooker. That's still cold. I'm dead. It's like only warm at the bottom.
Okay, guys, so we went off the trail and we don't really know where we went. And we're just like in the middle of the canyon and it's getting dark and sun's going down.
Dude,
We don't really know where to go. Please help us.
We've been walking around for like hours. 3? How long has it been? The sun's almost
I
down.
would say it's like 7.
And we literally got off of the trail. And I thought it was like...
Okay, if we got off the trail, you would be like freaking out. You'd be panicking more than you are.
We got off
You
the
need
trail.
to like get in like a anxious.
We got off the trail and
No, it needs to be like, oh my god, guys.
I feel like if we got off the trail, we probably wouldn't be vlogging.
No, we would.
We got off
But
the
we would
trail.
be wearing backpacks.
Panicking.
Okay, ready, Michelle? I'm ready.
Yeah.
If I breathe like
Tell me
that
when.
too much, I'm gonna have a real panic attack.
You're good. Go.
Okay, okay, so we went off the trail. We're lost.
I got it.
Ready?
Go.
Your hats off. Okay, so we're now on day. Is today day 5? Today's day 5.
Look at my hair.
Day 5. Day 5. I'm not showering. Wait. And then we pull up to to the showers and we find this sign.
Go back to the sign. Go back to the sign.
Again. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so gross. I have not been that Emily, you can't take this sign.
You cannot take it.
No, Emily.
You can't take it.
Was it closed,
Yep, since March 18th. Take a flash.
I mean, I guess
so you
that
can
makes
get my
sense because
hair.
of COVID, but like, I really need a shower. Especially after our hike today, I was sweaty. I smell so gross.
Okay.
Hey, Vic's hair doesn't look bad from the back.
From the back? No, I'm just
Do you want to get a video of my hair?
Yeah.
How does my hair look?
How does my hair look?
looks fine.
Your hair looks great. Look at mine.
Video of this, Vic.
Really?
Wait, take a video of this. With flash.
So dramatic. You need to focus it.
The difference between that and right before we had lunch is like literally.
This was us before lunch. This was me after In and Out.
Where are we, guys? Turn around. Where are we?
Yosemite.
Yosemite! Where are you? Yosemite! Yosemite! Time to frolic!
Okay.
It's hard to frolic out here. Wait, there's one.
I used to think I was leaves, but I'm bark.